Question 10. The table shows some information about the number of medals won by each of the 5 countries in the 2010 Winter Olympics. So the 5 countries shown are the United States, Germany, Canada, Norway and Austria. And then there's lots of totals, total gold medals, silver medals, bronze medals, and then the country's total medals overall. So United States total medals was 37. It's the first question, part A, says complete the table for Germany and Norway. Problem is, here in Germany there's a missing number here. If we look at the other numbers we have been given, we know that Germany had 30 total medals, 7 of which were bronze and 10 of which were gold. Well, 10 and 7 would make 17 medals in total. So 30 take away 17 will tell us how many were silver. So the answer is 13. Norway, this time we're actually missing the total of all their medals, but we're given the individual results for gold, silver and bronze. So all we need to do is add those up. 9 plus 8 plus 6 is 23. Part B. How many silver medals did the USA, United States, win? Well, this is dead easy. We can just go to United States. Silver. And it's 15. Okay. For one country, the number of gold medals was more than half of its total number of medals. Which country was this? We need to look at gold medals and total medals. We need to look at which country the gold number was more than half of the total. So 9 is less than half of 37. You can actually check this in your calculator by doing 37 divided by 2. Press the SD button if you need to. 18.5. 9 is less than that, so we know it wasn't the United States. 30 divided by 2 is 15. So 10 is less than that. It wasn't Germany. 26 divided by 2 is 13. Divided by 2. 13. And Canada actually got 14, so we know the answer is going to be Canada. Just to be sure, we can check. Half of 23 would be 11.5. Norway is 9, that was less than that. Half of 16 is 8, and Austria only had 4 gold, so less again. So the answer is Canada. Part D. Find the ratio of the total number of medals won by Germany to the total number of medals won by Austria. Well, if we look at Germany, they had total number of 30. Austria had total number of 16. So the ratio of total won by Germany, G, to the total number of Austria, A, is 30 to 16. Now the question says give your answer in its simplest form, so we need to cancel down. We need to think which number goes into 30 and 16. Well, I know that 2 does, so 2 goes into 30 15 times, 2 goes into 16 8 times. Can we cancel down again? Is there a number that goes into 15 and also goes into 8? Do they have a common factor? No, they don't. So the final answer, in its simplest form, 15 to 8 for 2 marks. In the last part, because it's worth 2 marks, the first mark would have been for getting that it was 30 to 16. The second mark for cancelling that down, 15 to 8.